What makes plastic waste valuable? The main reason why is that they are lightweight, versatile, and nearly indestructible, which contribute a lot to the societies nowadays. They are very useful to our daily lives, especially their wide range of uses, such as food packaging, medical protective gear, and more. Plastic should be viewed as resources and not waste, because plastic is not the issue that has to be tackled, but our single-use behavior. Plastic is very useful when we choose to utilize the 4 Rs in our daily lives, which will be explained further in the upcoming presentation. Polyethylene, known as PE, is categorized into two main categories, which are HDPE and LDPE, reported to be the third and fourth most consumed plastics in Malaysia. They are widely found in clear food wrap, shopping bags, detergent bottles, and automobile fuel tanks. Besides that, HDPE and LDPE can be further recycled physically and chemically into more useful and sustainable products, such as fuels and more.
Polyethylene-used plastics can be efficiently managed by referring to the 4 Rs of waste management. The first step is to reduce our use of harmful, wasteful, and non-recyclable products. The second step is to repurpose, also known as upcycling, plastic waste that can't be reduced. The third step is to recycle, which is known as the most environmentally friendly waste disposal method, and can be done either through mechanical or chemical recycling methods. The final step is to reinvent, also known as rethinking, by considering and questioning our consumption habits before utilizing disposable materials. In our group's proposed plant design, the first step of chemical recycling is to pre-treat plastic waste. Then, catalytic steam gasification occurs to produce syngas. Syngas then undergoes higher alcohol synthesis process to form ethanol and propanol. Distillation processes then occur to eventually gain high yield of purified ethanol and propanol as value-added products. The entire process has been calculated to be considered economically viable, with economic potential of $7.4 per kg of polyethylene plastic waste.
Based on above slide talks about process of chemical recycling, polyethylene plastic waste produces ethanol and propanol, and the ethanol is mainly used in the industry as solvent or intermediate reagent in the production of other commercial chemicals. Besides that, the commercial of the application includes such as plastic waste materials, lacquer, rubbing compounds, personal care products, and beverages in the food industry. Furthermore, there is a high demand for ethanol in global market. The values of propanol is the application for propanol are mostly used in producing pharmaceutical rubbing alcohols, acetone, and other chemical products. Isopropanol is mainly used as an antiseptic in the pharmaceutical industry, and due to pandemic of COVID-19, the demand for propanol increases in the market. And lastly is the conclusion. Circular economy is restorative and regenerative by the design. The economy values of the plastic waste did not leak into the natural environment and need to move the society away from the take, make, dispose mindset. Lastly, need to improve recycling, promoting reuse, creating a market for recycled materials, and redesigning products with the end of life in mind. The society needs to stop thinking of plastic as waste, but as a renewable resource that needs to be disposed correctly.